Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have x to the power of x to the power of 4 equals 64. So now what I'm first going to do is I'm going to take the power of 4 on both sides. So now we have x to the power of x to the power of 4 to the power of 4 is equal to 64 to the power of 4. So now if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n, right? And a to the power of m times n is also equal to a to the power of n times m. Meaning I could rewrite this as a to the power of n to the power of m. So right here, as you see, we have x to the power of x plus 4 to the power of 4. Think of x to the power of 4 as m and 4 as n. I could actually switch the places of these two, meaning I could rewrite this as x to the power of 4 to the power of x to the power of 4. And this is equal to, now I'm going to rewrite 64 as 8 squared. So now we have 8 squared to the power of 4. Now remember, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. Meaning 8 to the power of 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 8 to the power of 2 times 4, which is 8 to the power of 8. So if we have something in the form a to the power of a is equal to b to the power of b, and then this also means that a is equal to b. And as you can see right here, we have x to the power of 4 to the power of x to the power of 4 equals 8 to the power of 8. This means that x to the power of 4 is equal to 8. So now to cancel this power out, I'm actually going to take the root of 4 on both sides. So now these two cancel out, and I'm left with x is equal to positive or negative square root of, sorry, not square root, root 4 of 8. And this can also be written as 8 to the power of 1/4. And this can also be written as 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 1/4. And remember, we multiply m with n, so this is equal to 2 to the power of 3/4. So this is our answer. Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential problem. So we have x to the power of x to the power of 2024 is equal to 2024. Now, what I'm first going to do is I'm going to let x to the power of 2024 24 equal to the variable a. So now I'm going to take the power of 1 over 2024 on both sides from here. So now we have x to the power of 2024 to the power of 1 over 2024 is equal to a to the power of 1 over 2024. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So x to the power of 2024 to the power of 1 over 2024. Well, 2024 times 1 over 2024, these two simply cancel out, and it's simply just 1. So we have x to the power of 1, which is the same thing as x, is equal to a to the power of 1 over 2024. So now, going back to our equation here, we have x to the power of x to the power of 2024 is equal to 2024. And if I plug in a to the power of 1 over 2024 for x, I get a to the power of 1 over 2024 to the power of a to the power of 1 over 2024 to the power of 2024. And now this is equal to 2024. Now remember, a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m times n, meaning a to the power of 1024 to the power of a to the power of 1024 to the power of 2024. Well, 2024 times 1 over 2024, these two cancel out, and it's simply 1. So now we get a to the power of 1 over 2024 to the power of a is equal to 2024. Now, if I take the power of 2024 on both sides, then this would make these two cancel out, and I would simply get a to the power of a is equal to 2024 to the power of 2024. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of a is equal to b to the power of b, then this means that a is equal to b. So in this case, this means that a is equal to 2024. And although we have a solution, a is not what we're looking for. We're looking for the value of x. So as we know, x is equal to 1 over 2024. or sorry, 2024 to the power of 1 over 2024. So this means that because we already have our value for a, x is equal to 2024 to the power of 1 over 2024. So this is our answer.